Hey everybody, it's time for a new craft, and since we did rain last month, April showers bring May flowers. So we're gonna try these nice, they're called giant paper flowers. It's just a little bit in your craft kit. You will get one large piece of paper, blue or white, and then a strip of green paper with a hole punched in one end, and then several colored strips with holes punched in both ends. And then also a small piece of pipe cleaner. So in order to do this craft, we're gonna fold the pipe cleaner with like an L, with one end shorter than the other. And we're gonna start, you can put glue down if you want, but I'm not gonna use glue. We're just gonna start with the green strip, and we're gonna thread the hole right over that pipe cleaner. Now we're going to do the same thing with one end of each of the colored strips. And you'll want to space them out so they go around in a circle. Like that. And when you have one end of each colored strip threaded onto the pipe cleaner, you'll start over with the other end, making a loop and bringing the other end up and threading that end on the pipe cleaner as well. Just like this. Now, again, if you like, you can add some glue, but I'm not going to. Because now what we do is carefully pick that up, and then you're going to twirl this end of the pipe cleaner around in a circle to make the center of your flower. And that also keeps the papers from coming back up, like that. Turn it over, and you do whatever you like to make sure that that doesn't come off. Like that. Now you have your flower made, and if you like, you can glue it down on the blue paper. And a little bit down the stem too. Like this. Now you can fold the end of the green up to make a little bit of a leaf there. So it looks like a leaf. And then I'm going to glue that one down too. Just like that. Fairly easy. And that'll look a little better when the glue dries. But then you have your giant paper flower.